The Alfa Laval hybrid powder mixer is an all-in-one, hygienic unit for mixing of a wide range of ingredients. The versatile mixer is an excellent choice for food, dairy, beverage, and home and personal care industries where efficient and hygienic blending of liquids and ingredients is crucial. The hybrid powder mixer provides fast and efficient powder mixing of a range of ingredients with different properties. It is often used in batch process designs, either as stationary mixing stations or mobile mixing units. The hybrid powder mixer can easily be combined with the Alfa Laval rotary jet mixer, which ensures even faster and more efficient dispersion of powder or liquid mix in the tank. Liquid is introduced into the tank and the hybrid powder mixer. Ingredients are added. C-ball valve is opened, and when the liquid is circulated over the hybrid powder mixer, the mixer draws down the powder from the funnel. The liquid flow from the recirculation loop creates and maintains a vacuum in the ejector. The built-in rotor creates the main shear and efficiently blends powder and liquid into a homogeneous mixture. In the second stage, the pump impeller ensures efficient discharge of the mixed product. When the mixing is completed, the hybrid powder mixer can serve as a cleaning-in-place unit supporting effective cleaning of the batch process equipment. Alfa Laval can supply a complete package, consisting of hybrid powder mixer, rotary jet mixer, valves, tubes and fittings, and plate heat exchanger. Choose the Alfa Laval hybrid powder mixer for one unit that provides mixing, pumping and cleaning, handles a wide range of ingredients, is easily maintained on site, and ensures optimized cleanability and drainability.